welcome to our channel. Today I come here today.
Okay, Ate
I
Marga
just
is
have some
back.
dinner.
No lunch. We just had
Oh,
some lunch.
I just have some lunch. That was a mistake.
Okay. So for today,
For today,
Marga's gonna do my makeup. Okay?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Wait for our makeup.
Yes, this is my makeup kit, guys. That was a mistake. Kaden just put her hands like that. Oh, give me my makeup.
Oh, show.
Makeup. It just got a little broken. Oh,
Oopsie. It's kind of broken.
yeah, it's kind of broken. This is Tata's lipstick. Like, this is the brush. This is the, ano, this is the lipstick. And this is this is the, ano,
Eyeshadow.
eyeshadow.
Okay, now Marga's gonna put me makeup. Okay.
Yes, guys.
Okay, you start now.
Let's start.
I will hold the mic for you. I will hold the mic for you.
Okay. I'm gonna put the lipstick.
Okay, lipstick first.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, it's good. Just don't be a little. Don't be wobbling your lips. Oh, they're not too red. Then the top one. Oh, there you go. Oh, let me use this as splash. Oh,
Then you have to blend it
blend it.
with
Okay.
your fingertips. Ha?
No, I have a brush.
Okay, blend it with the brush first so
Okay.
it won't stay.
Let me just close it so it won't be dry like a toy. Let me blend it.
Blend it well.
Oh, I got a mistake. I didn't finish it yet. Okay. Let me just put the blush on now.
Is it too much? Eh, wala pa nga si Pao eh. Naantok pa daw siya. Ewan ko, matutuloy kami. Oh no, that's too much.
Oh, sorry.
What did you do? What did you do, Ate? What happened to my blush? Why it's like that?
I wanna be like a circle. It is.
It looks like I have a boo boo on my cheeks.
Where?
Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. No need to repeat it.
Let me blend it so well so it can be good like a princess. Oh, I think this is your blush when you go to work.
Oh no. We can't go out with this kind of
Yeah.
blush,
Oh,
Ate.
sorry. I put a moment here. Oh, I can see on like that. Oh,
I think it's good now.
okay.
Now, next will be
I think I can do your like this.
my eyeshadow.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't do this.
Ah, the other side. Okay.
Yeah. Let me just do it like that. So.
No, you do it better, ha?
Okay, let me do it better this time.
What can you say about my makeup?
Oh, that's just a little, so you can be like a princess.
Okay.
Like
Okay. Do I look like a princess now?
yeah, because it's only a little circle. Like this is her mom and this is the baby.
Okay.
She's just behind her mama. This is her roll and this is the kitchen. It's on the kitchen. Oh. I think that's enough, so it
Okay.
won't cut your eyes anymore. I think blue is much better. Come on. Let me put one more blue, okay? So, there, that's only for children, so it cannot be your face like me sometimes. And I think it's good. Oh, I think you can put some glitter like over here. after only a little bit. Now my turn. Now my turn to make up.
Okay, now I'm gonna do Marga's makeup. Okay, wait.
No, that was just a mistake. Sorry, Tata.
Yes. You sure it's still on? Yeah.
Here, can you hold it yourself?
No, I can't hold it because I'm holding the eyeshadow. This is the one I used for her.
Yeah, the
I'm using for her. Oh, close it.
I'm putting it on the right direction.
Yes.
Oh,
You want some glitters on your eye eyelids?
yes, but only a little because it might cut on my eye.
Okay.
I'm gonna remove this one. No, it's too hard. Tata, can I? Ano?
Okay. You
Tata,
open
can
your
we
eyes.
have a sleepover on your room?
Alam mo naman yan. Ang daming ano.
Magkaiba, oh.
Now we're gonna put you some blush.
Lipstick first.
Ah, you want lipstick first. Okay.
Blush.
Okay. Oh, you stand up because they can
Oh.
see your beautiful face.
Oh, sorry.
Can you open your mouth a little bit? Do lang.
It's so pretty.
Wait lang, I'm gonna fix it. It's not yet done. Not yet. Can you... Ah. Mam.
Mama. I just look like yours.
And then...
And then what? It's gonna be good. Is it gonna be good? They say.
Yes, it's good.
Okay. I think it's a little too much, or it's looking pretty.
Yeah, it's beautiful now. You look like a princess.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Look at Margas.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So now, this is the result of our makeup.
I'm gonna do another vlog, Papa.
Okay. Who do you think did it better? On the comment below.
Comment on the second video, guys.
Comment on this video.
Comment on this video.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. We're gonna do another channel.
Okay, another video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.